Ever heard of a 15-year-old with a PhD in quantum physics? Meet Laurent Simons, a Belgian prodigy who's not just breaking records, he's aiming to break the limits of life itself. Laurent just successfully defended his doctoral thesis at the University of Antwerp, making him one of the youngest PhD holders ever. But this is just the beginning for him. What's his ultimate goal? Human immortality. He's been dreaming of it since he was 11. Laurent's journey has been incredible. He finished high school in 1 year at age 8, earned a master's in quantum physics at 12. And now, he's already starting a second PhD, this time in medical science and AI. His mission is to use technology to create replacement body parts and maybe even make us immortal. This kid is literally trying to build the future. What do you think about his ambitious goal? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories.